Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, born 1888 in British India, was world renowned both as a scholar and statesman. His magnum opus, Indian philosophy, grabbed the attention of Western thinkers and led to the introduction of Indian philosophy courses in all major universities of the world. Throughout his academic career, he taught and promoted Indian philosophy and worldview. As a statesman, Dr. Radhakrishnan's greatest contribution was the UGC or was the establishment of UGC, which helped India to become a knowledge-based economy. While serving as the second President of India, he was requested by his admirers in the government to let them celebrate his birthday and have it declared as a national holiday. He replied that his birthday should then be dedicated to the educators in the country and celebrated as Teachers' Day. This great scholar, passionate teachers, worthy representation of the East and respected statement, breathed his last on 17th April 1975. Follow Bright Mind in English. Keep learning, keep growing, keep practicing.